Hey and welcome. Today we talk about this chunky boy again. My wing flash with polarizer on it. But that's an ordered polarizer. Obviously you can build them yourself. You just 3D print them, put some foil on it and done. So is it worth spending money on this? Like 100 euros? Let's find out. So my filter arrived. So it's from the company called Texxary. So let's see what we have here. It's definitely 3D printed, which isn't anything bad. It's a really solid quality. The print itself looks pretty nice, pretty sharp in terms of resolution, not corners. By the way, the corners are nice too, so they feel pretty good. The foil itself is good too. There is some tension on it, which is good, so it's not stacking down. So, and that's the part where you would normally flip the filter. Yeah, nice. That's good quality for the price. I'm pretty impressed. Let's put it on the camera and see how it performs. So here we can see what the filter or the polarizer did in the end. It made a nice flat scan. Well, it made the pictures for it. So here we have missing data because obviously I didn't scan the underside of the box. That's the reduced scan. The output was 110 million and I cleaned it up until I hit 32 million. And yeah, I'm really happy. Color wise it looks really good. This is texture, not vertex color. Yeah, pretty happy with the result. And let's also check out the website. So wing flash polarizer. All the supported flash models are listed, that's good. Then we have some pictures here, really nice, really nice. The price, 100 euros. They ship worldwide, 40-day refund, perfect. Some description, a little breakup on what's included or how it's made. And some samples on how cross-polarization works. There will be a separate video about this topic, but yeah, here basically you have a little breakdown. That's the flash without any filter, just the flash by itself. That's cross-polarized, so this one in the middle is the one you want to get, or that's the result you want to achieve. And then we have no wing flash or filter, so straight camera picture. Some other examples, yeah, really nice. And the FAQ, they also have like a how do I align section if you don't know how the filter works. Yeah, it's really nicely written. You put the filter on the flash, you turn it until all the LEDs in the flash went to dark blue or purple, and then you have a perfect cross polarization and can start shooting. Yeah, that's the polarization website. They also have like some freebies you can download. Let's check out the Mossy one. Oh yeah, that's solid. That's really nice. That's some fine and nice detail. So yeah, that's under freebies. Then we also have the library. And let's see what we have here. Broken roof tiles, sandstone, some cool stuff. Ooh, coffee beans, nice. Let's check these out. So 30 by 30 centimeters. Nice. I would love to scan these. That's cool. How much are they? Let's make a studio price. That's fair. 8K, 20 euros. That's a fair price. So yeah, as you can see, they also have a library. Yeah, check it out. Maybe get a filter, a polarizer. Sorry, I keep calling it filter. So I threw in some pictures real quick. That's the flash with the polarizer, but the polarizer is set to 0 or non-polarized. That's why everything is white. If you're using a polarizer, you know you're doing it white if everything looks like this. It's all blue, purple, really dark blue. That's when all the light gets cancelled out. If you look at my arms, you can see there's quite a difference, and that's how the polarizer on the wing and on the lens works. So Is this little thing here worth 100 euros or maybe even more? I would say yes. The build quality is really nice. Obviously it's 3D printed, you can do that yourself, but that takes time. Some of the free versions need to pause the 3D print and insert the magnets, and you need to get the filter, the screws, all of that stuff. It's really nice. I think it's totally worth the price and I would order again. So yeah, check them out. Visit the polarizer or the filter, however you want to call it. Let's call it polarizer. And in the meantime, you really should see what gear you should get for 2023.